my smart little friends. Welcome back to another fun learning time with me, Young Smart. You've been doing such a great job learning two-letter words. Today, we'll learn 4 new ones: he, be, by, and know. Are you ready? Let's spell together. Our first word is he. Let's spell it together. H-E, he. Now you say it. H-E, he. Great job! Let's use it in a sentence. He is my best friend. The next word is be. Spell it with me. B-E-B. Your turn. B-E-B. Perfect! Let's use it in a sentence. Always be kind to others. Now, let's learn by. Spell it together. B-Y, by. Now you say it. B-Y, by. Awesome! Let's use it in a sentence. Young Smart rides by the river. Our last word today is know. Let's spell it together. N-O, know. Now you say it. N-O, know. Excellent! Let's use it in a sentence. No littering in the park. Fantastic work, friends! You learned 4 new two-letter words. He, be, by, and know. Let's say them one more time. He, be, by, know. You're all doing amazing! Keep spelling, keep smiling, and keep learning with me. Young Smart, be kind, learn every day, and say no to bad habits.